Welcome. In this episode, we will be working on part 1-43 left-hand front mudguard and 1-42 right-hand front mudguard. Let's get building for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be working on part 1-42 right hand front mudguard for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So we're finally getting to the body part, so let's click on template MMGS. Okay, so we're going to do right hand side. We're going to do the profile out. Let's start here, goes across, down, it curves around there. Let me just do a straight line. This one, close it off, and there we go. Let's do some measurements now. From here to here is going to be 58. From top one to the same point. Weapon. Top one. Oh, there we go. The same point will be 280. Whoa. This is going to be 2.5. Thank you. Whoa. That's going to be 2.5 there as well. Man, this is going weird. 2.5. Oh, sorry, not that one. Oh my god, that's gone so weird. Hold on. Let me just delete all that, start again. Okay, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do some instruction lines. There. That's on the angle and that's on the angle. There we go. Let's see how that goes. From this point to this point, it's going to be 58. So that's got to be less. There we go. Put that in there. There we go. From where are we? From right top there to right down bottom there, it's going to be 280. Oh, yeah, smart mention, thank you. Put that there roughly. Bring that in. Let me zoom out. There we go. Okay, so now we've got something resembling what we want. Okay, let's change these over to lines now. So that is no longer construction line. That's no longer construction line. And next is our construction line. Okay, so now let's now do down, 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 and down. But let me just put that construction line just so then that's going to be curved, and that can be. Actually, I can stay as this. So, we're going further, that's going to be 2.5. Try again. Didn't quite work. There we go. 2.5. And that's going to be 2.5. And let's make sure. Oh yeah, that's just parallel, cool. Now this here is going to be from that point to that point. Oh, missed the point. Missed again. You know what? There we go. See 5.5. Excellent. So this curve here is going to be 38 radius. Let me just do a quick one there. Thank you. 38. Beautiful. So let me just see what happens. Before we go further, let me just do a quick save. Put that point and that point together. That point and that point together. Put that line. Let's see, what options do we have here? There we go. So it makes it tangent. What was that option? Tangent, I think it was. Oh. Hold on. That one's wrong. Let me delete that one. Let me, oh man. Put them wrong. But. Hold on, what's going on here? Delete that one. There's something weird there. Okay, don't delete that one though. Okay, so let's try this again. That one to that one. That one to those two dots. That's fine, it's looking a bit weird, but let me make these two. Yeah, tangent. There we go. That's better. Now we want put these two there you go. We want a line. Come on, line. Thank you. What can I do an angle on that? No, I can't. But if I do this one and this one as a, there we go. That works. Now let's now go here. Oh, wrong circle. What's that circle? We put that one there. Let me actually, before I go further, let me put that one, was at 2.5. Yep, 2.5. There we go. Now that dot and this dot will join together, but this curve and this line will be tangent. Ooh. Why did it do that? Okay, let's try something else. Put these two as, okay, can't do that. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, so what is still need to be refined? That one, which doesn't have a measurement there. Okay, what measurement is that? That one there. To that one there. Let's make that 13. Need 13. Okay, still got something that's not defined. Oh! What the heck? Let me delete that one. Delete that one. Great. Oh, hold on. That's a curve. Why not? Why can't it be joined? Points cannot be merged. Okay, what if I delete that one? Yep. Okay, let me now go to... Maybe because I had the measurement there was stuffing things up. Okay, so now let me go that one, because that line will be there. Something's still out of whack. Whoop. Oh, I got rid of measurement there, didn't I? Because I delete something. Okay, let's make that 12. There you go, that's refined. That is refined. I can't. Yeah, there, thank you. Make that 10, how's that look? Yep, that looks good. Got an angle there, so that's cool. Okay, so let's go feature extrude. It's going to be 100. And it's going to be, nope, not that one, that one. Mid-plane. Mid-plane, and done. Okay. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to resave this. Oh no, let's do something else. Because there's a left and right. They're the same thing, except there's a curvature here different on the bottom there. But these holes up here are the same. Let's put these in. At sketch. There's 2 holes. 1, 2. They are... I don't say. Let me just put those 6 mil. Just judging, because that's 12. This is 12 from here to here. Yeah, and that looks like if moved on the drawing. If I move that corner circle there, that looks like halfway. So that's what I'm surmising. Just taking some. We'll probably do some adjustments later on when we go build that. Put that in somewhere. So 18, and let me just put those parallel. Okay, there's only a hole in there, or holes. So extrude through all and done. Ooh. There we go. Okay, let me save that. That's all there is, other than the curves down there. Actually, no, nope. It's got to be curved here. So let me do a fillet. It's at 2, so let me do 2.5. Edge on there. Edge on there. Actually, probably 1.25. Let's see what 2.5 looks like. Actually, that looks good. Actually, looks good. That curves there, so there. Okay, so let's save that. There's now, yes, let's do another save. Save as. So these 2 parts are going to be put together. 3, left hand, and done. Okay, so the left hand side is going to be raised this side. So let's do raise of 17.5 fillet. 17.5. Click on that corner. Let's see how that looks. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me open up the other one. Recent, thank you. Let's now do fillet 17.5. And okay, there we go. We do that one, do that one. There you go. See, you got curves on each side. Beautiful. We double check. That looks like everything we need to do. Yep. That's all we need to do. So I've done 2 parts in one video on that one because, well, really do a video just doing that. Might just doing the same part. So if you enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. Does help me out. You get notifications. Leave comments below. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. Thank you for support. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.